Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of electric bikes with a close look at the Propella 9S Pro V2. This bike promises a lot with its sleek design, powerful motor, and a host of features aimed at enhancing your riding experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's kick things off with an overview of what the Propella 9S Pro V2 offers. It's built around a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The bike comes equipped with a 350-watt rear hub motor, which peaks at 500 watts, delivering smooth acceleration and responsive power. From a design perspective, the Propella 9S Pro V2 impresses with its minimalist aesthetics and attention to detail. It's available in both step-through and step-over designs, catering to different rider preferences and making it accessible for a wide range of heights. Now, let's talk performance. The bike features a 9-speed Shimano drivetrain, allowing for seamless gear shifts and versatility across various terrains. Whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling light trails, this setup ensures a comfortable and efficient ride. I had the opportunity to take the Propella 9S Pro V2 for a spin, and I was pleasantly surprised by its handling. The torque sensor technology really stands out here. It adjusts the pedal assist level based on your pedaling input, providing a natural and intuitive riding experience. This makes it great for those who want to feel connected to their ride without feeling overpowered. Battery life is crucial for any electric bike, and the Propella doesn't disappoint. With a removable 36 volts, 350 watt-hours battery that integrates neatly into the downtube, it offers up to 55 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick too, taking about 3 hours to reach full capacity, ensuring minimal downtime between rides. The 9S Pro V2 comes loaded with features like front and rear fenders, an integrated front light, and reliable hydraulic disc brakes, all contributing to a safer and more comfortable ride. It's these thoughtful additions that really enhance the overall user experience. Comparing it to similar models like the Aventon Solterra Point 2 and Ride 1-Up Turris, the Propella holds its ground with its competitive pricing and robust performance. While it lacks a throttle, which could be a downside for some, its overall package makes it a strong contender in the electric bike market. Wrapping up, the Propella 9S Pro V2 delivers where it matters most: performance, build quality, and affordability. It's a solid upgrade from its predecessor, offering improved features without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a reliable electric bike that balances power and price, this could be the one for you. That's it for today's review of the Propella 9S Pro V2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this bike, or if there are any other products you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.